How to move a Discord channel or category. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's start right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Discord on a device. Now go to home and open up your server. Now tap on the server name and go to settings. Now simply tap on channels under settings. Now at the top right corner, tap on reorder. Now choose either categories or text channels or voice channels. Now keep holding the channels to adjust the position and tap on done. Now repeat the same process for other channels. Now tap on done and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.